After shredding pow all day yesterday and topping it all off with a slow sesh, our legs were dead and telling us to go home. But we had a problem. There's still a lot of untouched pow up the hill and we couldn't just let that sit there. As tired as we were, we needed to get our fix and head back up the hill. Another day of epic riding was waiting for us. Alright, so it's day 3 or 4 of the Promised Land trip. Second day we've actually been in BC. We're all pretty sore and tired. It's like 7:30. We did not want to get up early, but it's going to be another good day of snowboarding. Unfortunately, it didn't snow last night, but there's still a lot left over from yesterday, so it should be a pretty good day.
This hill might be a little tricky with the car.
Serious? Say hi to Triple.
It was getting close to the end of the day, so we all decided we would hike up to Sub Peak and traverse over to Jalapeno, where we would drop in for our last run of the day. Little did we know, this hike was going to take almost 2 hours. The boot pack, once we got up to Sub Peak, almost disappeared and the snow got extremely deep. We were basically swimming. We did finally arrive at our destination in a total whiteout, with snow almost too deep to ride. It was epic. So we dropped in. Little did we know, we had been out of cell reception for over 2 hours, during which time Josh and Trajan had been trying to contact us. After being unable to get a hold of us for over 2 hours, they were in the process of getting Ski Patrol to come find us when we finally got their messages. They were not happy when we got to the bottom. After an hour of everybody ripping each other's heads off, we decided to calm down because we needed to finish the trip together, without us hating each other by the end of it. After all the excitement yesterday, we were pretty exhausted, but we weren't out of the game yet. We woke up to find bluebird skies and a nice 10 centimeters of fresh pow had fallen overnight. It was going to be another epic day. I know. After another day of epic riding, we decided to do some après skiing where some poor decisions were made.
Look at these things.
Okay, so these wings are called a Chinese fire drill.
Created by Satan himself.
How do you think this is gonna be, Adrian?
Oh, it's gonna be bad considering I don't even eat like hot.
Remember, don't breathe it in. Don't breathe it in when you put it near your face.
Okay, now you grab a wing, first bite. 3, 2, 1. Tastes good.
I can literally see the sauce on your lips. Like you're not having a good time.
That's hot.
That's some. Yeah. There we go.
Okay, let's do a cheer. Cheers. This is such a mistake.
Oh yeah.
Oh, my lips are bad.
He's stomping his feet.
The face he's making. His eyes.
Your masterpiece is covered in sauce.
Oh, take a bite of that.
Think about all the poor people in Africa who would eat that. That's a lie. Nobody would eat that. Nobody would eat that. I think they touch this and be like, this is poisonous. What did I do to deserve this?
Yeah, you need to hit bigger cliffs next time.
Yeah, I'll hit the 20-footer and die. Let me try this.
Serious mistakes were made.
All in all, today was a pretty epic day. Conditions are all time, and pain was experienced by all. Except Justin, he didn't eat the chicken wings.